The next part that we're going to be addressing is going to be a few techniques that I'm going to share with you, but I have to warn you, these techniques, they're dangerous, in the sense that the information that I'm sharing, if it's abused, you can be very manipulative. But then, what we're trying to portray today is, you take it in a positive light, you use it to inspire, to culture, and cultivate people around you. So, I'm a bit afraid actually to share what I'm about to say, because it's really, really life transforming. The first thing is the hook. It's called the hook. If you're writing down, you can put it down. It's called the hook when you're speaking. You understand your audience and find that one thing that is going to captivate them. Will you believe me if I told you that the first story that I was telling you about the funeral is actually not true? I'm sorry to betray your trust. But I understand that most people are sensitive about such an affected. So in order for me to get your first 3-5 seconds, what I'm supposed to do is to give you something that you can relate with. Sometimes it has to be untrue, unfortunately. But
most times,
in that delivery, in that opening, what it does is it gives you and me a sense of intimacy for some time. Yeah.
True.
You are able to open up and be a little bit accepting to my message, because most people, they've got barriers. When they hear, like, what is this guy trying to say? You know. So when you give that person an opportunity for them to relate to what you're saying, then you can deliver a very powerful, life-transforming message. That was number one. The second one is body language. And